Wait. Before you skip this video, let me ask you one thing. What if I told you the 2026 Honda Civic can save you thousands of dollars over 5 years, still feel fun to drive, and be one of the smartest cars you can own in the USA right now? Not a luxury car. Not an EV headache. Just a clean, reliable, fuel-saving machine that fits real life, real traffic, and real budgets. If you drive daily, sit in traffic, pay for gas, insurance, and maintenance, this video is for you. Let's talk about the 2026 Honda Civic. The 2026 Honda Civic continues Honda's winning formula, but this time it's more refined, more efficient, and more future-ready. In the USA, the expected starting price is around $25,000 for the base model, while higher trims with hybrid tech can go up to around $30,000 to $32,000. In Japan, pricing is expected to start near 3.5 million yen, while in ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, prices may range between $28,000 to $35,000 depending on local taxes and hybrid availability. This makes the Civic a global car that fits both American roads and Asian city life perfectly. Fuel economy is where the 2026 Civic really shines. The standard petrol version delivers around 33 miles per gallon in the city and about 42 miles per gallon on the highway. That already beats many competitors. But the real star is the Civic Hybrid. This version can easily deliver around 50 miles per gallon combined. For USA drivers, that means fewer gas station visits and serious savings over time. If gas prices rise again, Civic owners will feel less pain compared to SUV drivers. For overseas Asian buyers, especially in countries where fuel is expensive, the hybrid Civic becomes an even smarter choice. Now let's talk about hybrid savings in real-life terms. If you drive about 15,000 miles a year in the USA, the hybrid Civic can save you roughly $800 to $1,200 per year compared to a regular compact sedan. Over 5 years, that's up to $6,000 saved just on fuel. And unlike full EVs, you don't need to worry about charging stations, battery anxiety, or long charging times. You just drive and save. Maintenance cost is another big reason people keep buying Civics generation after generation. Honda engines are known for durability. Oil changes, brake pads, filters, and routine services are affordable and widely available. In the USA, average annual maintenance cost for a Civic is around $350 to $450, which is lower than many competitors. In Asian markets, parts are even cheaper due to local availability and shared components. Hybrid maintenance is also simple because Honda's hybrid system is proven and doesn't rely heavily on complex gearboxes. Resale value is where the Civic quietly destroys most rivals. After 5 years, a Honda Civic can still retain around 55 to 60% of its value in the USA. In Japan and ASEAN markets, resale can be even stronger due to brand trust and demand. This means when you sell or trade in your Civic, you lose less money compared to many other sedans. That alone makes it a financially smart decision. Performance-wise, the 2026 Civic is not about racing, but it feels confident and smooth. In the city, acceleration is responsive, steering is light, and visibility is excellent. You can easily maneuver in tight traffic and parking lots. On the highway, the Civic feels stable, quiet, and comfortable even at higher speeds. The hybrid version delivers instant torque, so merging and overtaking feel effortless. For daily commuters, this balance of comfort and performance is exactly what you want. Ownership cost goes beyond fuel and maintenance. Insurance for the Civic is generally affordable because of its strong safety ratings and lower repair costs. In the USA, average insurance cost is lower than sporty sedans or SUVs. Parts availability is excellent. Whether you live in California, Texas, New York, or a small town, Honda parts are easy to find. In Asian countries, Civic parts are everywhere, making repairs quick and affordable. Now let's do a quick comparison. Against the Toyota Corolla, the Civic feels more engaging to drive and offers a slightly more premium interior. The Corolla is reliable, but the Civic wins in driving feel and resale value. Compared to the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, the Civic Hybrid feels more responsive and modern. Against other Honda models like the Honda Insight, the Civic offers better space and stronger brand recognition globally. For USA roads and traffic, the 2026 Civic makes perfect sense. It's not too big, not too small, easy to park, efficient in stop-and-go traffic, and comfortable for long highway drives. With advanced driver assistance features, smooth suspension, and excellent fuel economy, it fits the daily American lifestyle while staying friendly for overseas Asian buyers who value efficiency and reliability. Interior quality has also improved. The cabin feels clean, modern, and practical. Controls are simple, screens are clear, and everything feels well built. This is important because you spend hours inside your car every week. Honda understands that better than most brands. So who should buy the 2026 Honda Civic? If you want a car that saves money, holds value, drives smoothly, and won't give you headaches years down the road, this is it. It's not flashy, but it's smart. It's not loud, but it's confident. It's a car that works for your life, not against it. If you care about fuel savings, low maintenance, strong resale value, and stress-free ownership, the 2026 Honda Civic deserves to be on the top of your list. This is why millions of people around the world trust the Civic name. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more smart car reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.